Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best face moisturizer is probably one of the most essential skincare products for teenagers navigating the complexities of acne, oiliness, and sensitive skin, and finding the right one can feel like a daunting quest. This video is dedicated to simplifying that journey, as we dive deep into the world of teen-specific moisturizers, evaluating their ingredients, effectiveness, and suitability for young, developing complexions. We'll be looking at formulas designed to hydrate without clogging pores, soothe irritation, and provide a healthy balance for skin that's often unpredictable during these formative years, ensuring you can achieve clear, comfortable, and radiant skin. Number 5. MARLOWE Facial Moisturizer for Men, 6 ounces. Introducing MARLOWE Facial Moisturizer for Men. It's a daily face lotion designed to keep your skin looking its best. This lightweight moisturizer provides essential hydration without any greasy residue. It feels comfortable on your skin all day long. Experience skin that feels smoother and looks more refreshed. It's formulated to revitalize your complexion with every application. Enjoy a non-greasy feel that absorbs quickly. It won't weigh down your skin, leaving it feeling clean and balanced. Achieve a healthy, natural look with this effective daily moisturizer. It's the perfect addition to your grooming routine. This generous 6-ounce size ensures you have plenty of this revitalizing moisturizer. Keep your skin hydrated and comfortable. What we like. This moisturizer offers a non-greasy feel that hydrates and smooths your skin. It refreshes your complexion for a healthy look. If you're looking for a daily moisturizer that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, this is a great choice. What people say. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It helps to keep my skin hydrated throughout the day without causing breakouts. The formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin types. Number 4. Glow Recipe Pink Juice Water Gel Moisturizer Travel Size. Discover the secret to a dewy, radiant complexion. This lightweight gel moisturizer is your new go-to for achieving that coveted glass skin look. Experience deep hydration that won't weigh you down. Its oil-free formula is perfect for keeping your skin refreshed and balanced, especially if it tends to be oily. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it quenches your skin's thirst, leaving it plump and smooth. Enjoy long-lasting moisture that feels as good as it looks. This travel-sized gem is designed for your busy lifestyle. Keep your skin hydrated and glowing wherever your adventures take you. Formulated to be non-comedogenic, it won't clog your pores. It's the ideal choice for anyone seeking a gentle yet highly effective daily moisturizer. Embrace the refreshing feel and visible results. Achieve a healthy, luminous look that lasts all day with this innovative gel moisturizer. What we like. Achieve the coveted glass skin with this oil-free gel moisturizer. It provides deep hydration perfect for oily skin types. If you desire a dewy, hydrated complexion and struggle with oiliness, this product is designed for you. What people say. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It helps to keep the skin hydrated without feeling greasy. The formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin types. Number 3. Neutralyze Acne Moisturizer. Introducing our advanced acne moisturizer, designed to tackle breakouts effectively. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Formulated with a precise blend of 2% salicylic and 1% mandelic acid, this moisturizer works to clear blemishes. It's powerful enough to fight acne but gentle enough for sensitive skin. Experience the benefits of our time-release technology. It ensures a steady delivery of active ingredients throughout the day, helping to prevent future breakouts. Whether you have hormonal acne or sensitive skin, this daily lotion is for you. It addresses various acne concerns without causing irritation. Enjoy a clean and comfortable feel. This moisturizer is completely fragrance-free and oil-free, making it suitable for even the most reactive skin types. Incorporate this into your regimen as step 3 for optimal results. It provides essential hydration while actively treating acne. What we like. This moisturizer is formulated with time-release salicylic and mandelic acids to target acne. It's fragrance-free and ideal for acne-prone, hormonal, and sensitive skin. If you're dealing with breakouts and have sensitive skin, this daily lotion is a targeted solution. What people say. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It provides long-lasting hydration without clogging pores, making it ideal for acne-prone skin. The formula is gentle and non-irritating, even for sensitive skin types. Number 2. 8 Saints Skincare Cloud Whip Vitamin C Face Moisturizer. Discover the transformative power of our Cloud Whip Vitamin C Face Moisturizer. This luxurious day cream is designed to bring out your skin's natural radiance. Gently reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with this potent anti-aging formula. It works to smooth and refine your complexion for a more youthful look. Enriched with vitamin B5, cocoa butter, and jojoba oil, it deeply nourishes your skin. These natural ingredients work together to provide lasting hydration and suppleness. Enjoy a lightweight, non-greasy feel that absorbs quickly into your skin. Plus, it's completely unscented, making it perfect for even the most sensitive complexions. Incorporate this essential day cream into your daily routine. It's the perfect addition for women seeking effective and gentle skincare solutions. Achieve visibly smoother and younger-looking skin with this advanced moisturizer. It's formulated to deliver results you can see and feel naturally. What we like. Boost your skin with vitamin C and fight signs of aging. This cream is designed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. If you're looking for an anti-aging day cream that brightens and smooths your complexion, this is an excellent option. What people say. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling hydrated without any greasiness. It has a subtle, pleasant scent that isn't overpowering, and it doesn't cause any irritation or breakouts. My skin looks and feels smoother and more balanced since I started using this product. Number 1. The INKEY List Omega Water Cream. Discover a new level of lightweight hydration with our oil-free face moisturizer. Its unique gel formula is designed to feel incredibly light on your skin. This moisturizer is enriched with omega fatty acids, providing essential nourishment without any greasiness. It's a powerful yet gentle addition to your routine. Formulated with 5% glycerin, betaine, and niacinamide, it works to deeply hydrate and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Experience a smoother, more balanced complexion. Specifically created for those with blemish-prone skin, this moisturizer helps to hydrate without clogging pores. It's a vegan-friendly skincare solution you can trust. Achieve optimal barrier hydration with this effective gel moisturizer. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed, supple, and protected throughout the day. What we like. Experience lightweight barrier hydration with this oil-free gel moisturizer. It's packed with ingredients like glycerin and niacinamide for optimal skin health. If you have blemish-prone skin and need a moisturizer that hydrates without feeling heavy, this is the one to consider. What people say. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It helps to keep my skin hydrated throughout the day without causing breakouts. The formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin types. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.